Sounds from the Gumdrop Factory. So this one's going to use those low C's down here. We're going to have some staccato notes going back and forth between C and G. My right hand's going to be in C position. And let's see, we do have a lot of staccato in here. We have some sharps here towards the end and then some naturals at the very, very end. So watch out for those. We also have a ritardando at the very end and a diminuendo back to piano. Here where we've got these staccato notes, it says bounce loosely from the wrist. So you want to keep that wrist nice and flexible as you're playing those to make it actually even possible to play that and to keep you from becoming too tense or too tight in the wrist to actually play a good staccato sound. So we want to keep that wrist nice and bouncy. All right, so sounds from the Gumdrop Factory. I'm going to start down here on that low bass C, and it goes like this. Now, a couple of things we want to point out. I would recommend starting this one hand at a time because even though your left hand is really doing the same thing over and over, it's kind of repeating that pattern. Once you try to put the right hand with it, you're going to get a little confused at first. So I would learn the right hand part alone, then learn the left hand part alone, and once you're secure with both parts individually, then try putting the hands together. Also notice, and I did not point this out at the beginning, but here at the end of line 2 it says move, because you're going to need to move your hand up so that your thumb is on F, so that you can play that F chord right up there. And you're just going to move those triads down just like that. So that you're back in C position. That's where you want to bounce loosely from the wrist. So let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go.